Hello and welcome to Arizona State University. I'm Tia Nerai, the Director for the School of Molecular Sciences in the College of Liberal Arts and Sciences. We are excited for you to begin your Sun Devil journey with us. At SMS, we bring together chemistry and biochemistry to tackle real-world challenges while creating a supportive hands-on learning environment. As a student, you'll have access to cutting-edge research centers like Navratsky-Eyring Center of Materials of the Universe and the Center for Innovations in Medicine that applies artificial intelligence and machine learning tools to the medical field. You can join national research programs, explore immersive dreamscape virtual reality laboratories, or even pursue new pathways such as 4+1 master program or pharmacy partnership that combines bachelor's and doctorate in just 7 years. Most importantly, you'll develop the skills to succeed: critical thinking, collaboration, and problem solving while being supported every step of the way. I look forward to welcoming you into our community and seeing impact that you will make in the future. I hope you will have a great start to your academic journey at ASU. Please reach out if you have any questions. Let's push the boundaries of molecular sciences together. I'll see you in the class.